Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to change SSID and password. ME3022 router. Type here user ID capital ME small admin and password is small admin capital ME. Type here capture. Okay. After type capture, click on login. This is our ME3022 router interface. Now click on network. Click on WAN. Scroll down. You see here this is a old SSID. Change new SSID. Type here. Okay. After type new SSID, scroll down. Type here password what you want. After this, click on save. Click on OK. Click on save. Now check Wi-Fi name. Click on this Wi-Fi icon. All option is shown. First disable Wi-Fi, then enable Wi-Fi. Okay. Now check. New SSID is shown either. Okay. Now click on connect. Type here password. After type password, click on connect. Please wait while connecting our PC to Wi-Fi. Okay, now you see connected. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.